back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Thank you for coming along for the adventure. For those of you who are new, I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate if you would consider subscribing by the end of the video and joining the wonderful artistic family. So guys, 3 canvases in my favorite classic colors and something new. When I first started YouTube, I did a chain pull. I was inspired by designer Gemma77. She does tons of chain pulls, perfects them, gorgeous. I learned from the first one that the key to a good chain pull is not having a lot of paint on your base, which often can spill over in regular fluid art as well. But you want a very, very thin base, and you want your paints that are going to go on your chain to be thick. So then that way you don't have to put as much on, the color stays vibrant, and as you pull, my thoughts, you wouldn't have as much paint and you wouldn't have to tilt, which I had to the first time. So let's go ahead, guys. I'm excited to get started.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
Guys, here it is. That is gorgeous. I love it. No Floetrol or silicone in any of my paints, guys. That's just metallic white. And again, that is a super reactive paint. Love it. Okay. I did change up my color palettes a little bit just to add a little bit more interest instead of just having like 2 colors on the canvas. And I absolutely love it. Okay, lots of depth. And I love all 3 of these. They turned out great. I'm super happy with them. Again, I've got some lacing up here. I can move my lighting as well as here. I love that this one is super simplistic, gorgeous. And then we have the white, which is my favorite. And that's so weird lately, guys. I'm loving the white over my black. I just love the triations in this one. I added in like a little leaf there, some gold. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Now this one here, guys, is a brown and black base mix. And I thought I had some left over and I had them in the same container. Not same container, but 2 similar containers, and I grabbed the wrong one. But obviously the bronze and the black still works. This color palette all works together. And I absolutely love it. So you guys let me know which one you like. Bronze black base, just say black, the gold, or the white. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, show me some love by hitting that like button. Please share and subscribe. We're on our way to 10K, and I appreciate you all.